Hello and welcome to the Eats of Mish. Today I'm bringing you a grocery haul, a £40 grocery haul from Waitrose today. Everything is vegan, plant-based, so let's see what I got in, let's be honest, England's most expensive supermarket. Okay, every good food shop needs to have many greens, and to start off I got some romaine lettuce hearts. I love these in salads because they're so crunchy and satisfying to eat. I like using them as boats to cut other foods like chilies or falafels, all those kind of things. So some hearts. Also got some basil for pasta. I got some frozen edamame, and I've actually been struggling to get these in Tesco. So I got these in Waitrose, which is really good. Love these as snacks. Just defrost them, put some salt on them, and they're really yummy, packed with protein. I got some rocket. We love rocket just because it's like peppery and I suppose a lot more tasty than other greens, even though I do really like meringue. So we get rocket, we put it on the sides of like lots of dinners and in wraps, and on pizzas I'm going to make a wrap pizza and put this on it too. And spinach, because again we put it in everything and just cook it down to add in some extra greens. Yeah, like chilies, pastas, sort of casseroles. Spinach is always a good one to have on hand. I got two baking potatoes because I'm going to do jacket potatoes this week. It's just a really easy dinner. Pop them in and load them with your favourite salads, vegetables, beans, etc. I've got some cherry tomatoes. Really missed English cherry tomatoes while living abroad. They're so tasty. I got some passata to make some pasta, just really good as a base for sauce. Some wholemeal New York bagels. I love these. I found a vegan cream cheese I actually like from Waitrose, so I love having this with that, or just with vegan butter and Marmite. It's just a really lovely breakfast or even a snack. I got some sweet and tender baby beetroot. I haven't had beetroot in a really long time and I love it, and I just know the Waitrose one will be really good. Probably way more expensive than other supermarkets, but again, I just know it'll be really nice. I've got an avocado, a ripen at home one. And the ones with these skins I tend to like more when I'm buying them in the UK. I think they're like Israeli. Let's have a look. Oh, South Africa. Well, yeah, I think these ones always ripen a lot better than the ones with like the darker brown skin. So hopefully that'll be good. I got another pucker tea. I'm sort of building up my collections of these every week because I just love them. I decided to go with the 3 cinnamon one because I just love cinnamon, and I think it'll be nice to have after dinner because I always crave something sweet. I got some tinned sweet corn. I love this on salads. I might put that on my pizza later. Some baked beans to have with my jacket potatoes. I'm also trying out a new one of these every week as well. This is the Deliciously Ella nut butter balls. So every week I'm buying one of her products just to try them. And so far they've all been really nice. So I've got these ones to try it this week as a little treat. I got vegan Linda McCartney sausages because I get these all the time and they're just a staple. Some cauldron falafels. Again, I have these in wraps and it's literally become one of my favourite dinners. Put them in a wrap with lots of vegetables, roasted peppers and things like that, hummus, and then we put them in a pan and with some olive oil and sear them shut, and they're just the best wraps ever. I got some vegetarian meatballs. I got these to make a pasta dish, so I'm going to have these with the passata and the penne pasta, which is right here, as a meal with the basil as well, actually. We've had the Tesco's ones recently. They were really good, but I just saw these ones in Waitrose and thought we'd give them a go. And I think they'll be really tasty. I do love Linda McCartney products. Hummus, again, this is an essential that I get every week. So just the Waitrose home hummus. Again, wraps, snacks with celeries and carrots. I love it in sausage sandwiches as well. It goes with Linda McCartney sausages really, really well. I got some butter beans. These are one of my favourite beans. Really healthy, really good. Drain them, wash them, put them over salads, put them into wraps, all of those kind of good things. I got a packet of tofu. This is my favourite tofu, and I think it is because they do flavour it with something, but it's actually really tasty. I love making my tofu scramble with it, or just slicing it and putting it into like casseroles with other vegetables to add some protein, and it's just really, really good. And it's really strange because I hated tofu before I moved to Bali, and now I love it. I think it's great. But definitely if you don't like tofu, give this one a go because it's really tasty. Said earlier, penne pasta. I've got some cheese, some vegan cheese. I'm going to try another one. I haven't found any that I like yet. Like grated, like cheddar kind of cheeses. So I'm going to give this one a go. I'm going to put it on like a wrap pizza I'm going to make and see if I like it. I'm just desperately want to try and find a nice vegan cheese. If not, I'm going to give up, I think, and just accept I don't eat cheese anymore. Obviously, even though it's vegan, this isn't healthy. So after this, I'm going to give it up. Again, staple every week, the oat drink barista edition is the only thing that I think I can have in teas and coffees that's like having normal milk. I do like almond milk and other milks, but I think it just changes the taste of the tea or the coffee. I got some peppers, again, lots in cooking and salads. I got some mixed berries to have with some oats. And I also got these to try. These are mushroom and spinach Kievs from Good Life. I'm pretty sure you can only get this in I've just realised these aren't vegan. Oh no. Okay, well this is a good lesson to everyone. Just because something's green and in a vegan section, don't think it's vegan. Now these aren't vegan, they've got cheese in them. Oh no, okay, oh well. When this happens, I tend to still just have it because I feel like it's a waste otherwise, unless I can see someone and give it away to them, now that we're allowed to meet up with people. But no, these aren't vegan, so I'm not going to advertise them. Okay, and that is it. So this all cost me £40. Waitrose is an expensive supermarket, but I did get some really good bits here. And yep, can't wait to eat it all. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in the next food haul. Bye.